We did the project of an automatic solar tracker. The light intensity of the sun varies throughout the day. So in this project, we are using the light dependent register to detect the position of the maximum light intensity. To change the position, we are using Arduino coding for LDR and DC motors.
There are two motors. The top one is for rotating the x-axis and the bottom one is for rotating the y-axis. Two LDR sensors are used. The center one is for tapping the maximum light intensity and the edge LDR is for searching the maximum intensity. The supply to the motors is given by 9-volt battery. The circuit diagram is of a voltage divider where the two LDRs are connected in series with the 10 kilo ohm resistors.
The two terminals of the base motor is connected to the 2 and 3 of the Arduino output pins, and the top two terminals of the top motor is connected to 4 and 5 of the Arduino output pins, and the LDR1 and LDR2, the LDR1 is connected at the center and the LDR2 is connected at the edge, and the LDR1 is the analog pin A0 and LDR2 is the analog pin A1. Then we have recorded A, B, C, D variables as the normal lightning condition and the maximum lightning condition of the two LDRs at the center and the edge. The void setup for the pin modes of the motors is declared as the output pins, and then the void, inside the void loop we have first taken in the normal condition the LDR and the LDR's readings. Then we have declared we have given two cases for the motors and the sensors to detect the light. In the first case, the center sensor detects light and it is greater than the normal condition that we have declared previous in the variable A, and if the intensity at the center is more, then the top motor will rotate in the clockwise direction along x-axis. In the second case, if none of the LDRs detect any light, then due to the LDR at the edge, the motor at the bottom rotates in the y-axis direction to find where the incident light is maximum. If maximum intensity at the edge of the center is maximum, then the top motor rotates till the center LDR detects the maximum intensity.
The light intensity at the center is greater than the normal lightning. So the top motor rotates along x-axis. When the light intensity at the edge is more, then the bottom motors rotate in the y-axis direction so that the light intensity at the center is maximum.